Most people think you need millions and factory experience to start manufacturing. That's false. With the right machine and the right buyers, you can build a packaging business that generates 5 figures a month, even as a beginner. If you're a homemaker, a beginner, or someone stuck in a 9-to-5 job and looking for something practical, this video is for you. Today, I will tell you 5 beginner-friendly machines that turn simple raw materials into daily use items people constantly reorder. One of them is benefiting from plastic bans. Another quietly dominates food delivery packaging. Watch till the end because the ranking might surprise you. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 5. Plastic cup making machine. Most of you ignore this business because they think cups are too common to be profitable. That's exactly why it works. High volume, repeat demand, and simple production. The money here is not in luxury margins, it's in daily movement. This machine converts PET or PP plastic sheets into disposable cups used for water, juice, dairy, and small events. The sheet is fed into the heater section, softened, then formed into cup molds using air pressure and forming dies. After shaping, the edges are trimmed automatically, and the cups are stacked, ready for packing. One trained operator can handle the whole setup. Entry-level machines usually cost around $18,000 to $35,000, depending on automation and output size. Production cost per cup, including material, electricity, and labor, often falls between 1 cent to 2 cents. Cups typically sell for 3 cents to 5 cents in bulk. If you produce 40,000 cups per day, even with a conservative 1.5 cents margin, you're looking at roughly $600 daily gross margin. After expenses, a realistic monthly profit could sit around $8,000 to $12,000, depending on contracts and utilization. This business makes sense right now because small beverage brands, cloud kitchens, and event suppliers keep increasing. It suits beginners who understand distribution or already have contacts in food supply chains. One thing people underestimate is storage space. Cups are lightweight but bulky. You need proper stacking and inventory management. If you think cups move fast, wait until you see what food delivery businesses reorder in even larger quantities. Before we move to number 4, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 4. Foam food container making machine. Here's something most of you don't calculate properly. Food delivery doesn't stop. Rain, holidays, slow economy, people still order food, and every order needs packaging. This setup forms foam takeaway containers, the classic burger boxes, and hinged meal packs. It starts with foam sheets that are heated until flexible. The heated sheet moves into a molding station where shape dies press and form it into containers. After trimming, the finished pieces are stacked automatically. Machine pricing usually ranges between $25,000 and $50,000 depending on speed and mold options. Output can reach 30,000 to 40,000 containers per day. Production cost per unit often stays around 3 cents to 5 cents, while wholesale selling prices range from 6 cents to 12 cents, depending on thickness and region. Even with a conservative 3 cents margin and steady daily production of 30,000 units, monthly profit can realistically reach $12,000 to $18,000 after material, power, and staff costs. This works well for entrepreneurs near urban centers where fast food chains, street vendors, and delivery kitchens operate. Volume is everything here. Contracts with just 2 or 3 medium-sized food distributors can keep your line busy. However, there is one important factor. In some states, foam packaging is already banned. If your region is moving in that direction, this machine is high risk. Do not buy it without checking regulations first. Now, as strong as this market is, the next machine benefits from something even more stable than delivery trends. It benefits from supermarkets and ready meal shelves. If you are seriously considering starting something this year, comment the number of the machine that fits your budget. I read those to understand what kind of videos you want next. Number 3. Aluminum foil tray making machine. Here's what most of you miss. Supermarkets, catering services, and frozen food brands do not want to wash, collect, or manage returns. They want packaging that is cheap, heat-resistant, and disposable. That is where foil trays quietly dominate. This setup takes large aluminum foil rolls, feeds them into a press system, and stamps them into different tray shapes using molds: round, rectangular, deep, shallow. The cutting and forming happen in seconds. Finished trays are automatically stacked and counted. One operator can manage production without complicated technical skills. Machine cost typically ranges between $28,000 and $55,000, depending on size and automation level. Raw material is the main expense. Production cost per tray usually falls between 6 cents and 9 cents. Wholesale selling prices range from 10 cents to 20 cents, depending on thickness and size. If you produce around 10,000 trays daily with an average 5 cents margin, monthly net profit can realistically land between $9,000 and $14,000 after rent, labor, and electricity. This business makes sense because ready-to-bake meals, meal prep brands, and airline catering rely heavily on foil containers. It suits entrepreneurs near food, industrial zones, or wholesale markets. One honest reality: aluminum prices fluctuate. Your margin depends on smart raw material purchasing. Manage that well, and the numbers stay stable. Now, if foil works for baking and heating, the next opportunity focuses more on organized, visually appealing food presentation. Number 2. Compartment Lunchbox Forming Machine. Have you noticed how neatly separated modern meal prep boxes are? Rice on one side, vegetables on another, protein in its own section? That separation is not just design, it increases perceived value. This thermoforming system heats plastic sheets until flexible, then uses forming molds to shape multi-compartment trays, 2, 3, sometimes 5 sections in one unit. After forming, excess plastic is trimmed, and the trays are stacked for packing. The process is continuous and relatively easy to supervise. Investment for this setup generally falls between $35,000 and $70,000, depending on output speed and mold variety. Production cost per tray often sits around 7 cents to 12 cents. Selling price ranges from 15 cents to 30 cents, especially for thicker food-grade versions. With an average daily output of 15,000 units and a conservative 6 cents margin, realistic monthly profit can reach $12,000 to $18,000 once stable buyers are secured. Demand is rising because healthy meal prep companies, supermarkets, hospitals, and even airlines prefer organized packaging. This business is best for those who can build business-to-business relationships rather than depend on small retail sales. One thing to think about: molds define your product range. Custom designs cost extra. Choose wisely based on what local food brands are actually using. And speaking of shifting trends, the next machine benefits from something much bigger than presentation. It benefits from global environmental policy changes. Number 1. Paper cup making machine. Many beginners ask if small manufacturing can align with long-term trends. This is one of those rare cases where regulation actually creates opportunity. With plastic restrictions expanding in many regions, paper-based beverage packaging continues to grow. This equipment converts PE-coated paper rolls into finished cups for hot and cold drinks. The paper is printed or plain, shaped into a cylinder, side-sealed, bottom attached, then curled at the rim, all automated in a smooth sequence. Machine cost usually ranges between $20,000 and $45,000, depending on speed and cup size options. Production cost per cup typically lands between 2 cents and 4 cents. Wholesale selling price often sits around 5 cents to 8 cents. At 40,000 cups per day with a steady 2 cents margin, monthly profit can realistically reach $15,000 or more, assuming consistent orders from cafes, offices, distributors, and event suppliers. This suits beginners who want moderate investment with strong recurring demand. Coffee culture, corporate events, and takeaway beverages keep the volume moving. There is one practical consideration: quality control matters. Poor sealing leads to leakage complaints. Investing in good operators and regular testing protects your reputation. And when you combine environmental demand with reliable daily consumption, you begin to see why this one sits at the top of the ranking. At the beginning of this video, I told you that you do not need factory experience to enter manufacturing. What you really need is clarity. Clarity about demand, clarity about numbers, and clarity about who you are selling to. These 5 machines are not magic money buttons. They are tools. When placed in the right market, with steady buyers and disciplined cost control, they can create predictable monthly income from products people already use every day. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing trends without understanding distribution. If you focus on solving real packaging needs in your local market, even a simple product can become a strong business. Manufacturing rewards clarity and punishes guessing. If you're serious, stop watching trends and start studying your local buyers. The opportunity is not online, it's in your distribution network. If this video helped you think more clearly about manufacturing, subscribe and stay connected. I only share business models that make practical sense on the ground. And I will see you in the next video. Share with someone who may need it.